Hello, I hope you are doing fine. Today we will be reviewing the zero and first conditional. First, we're going to see the zero conditional. We can make a zero conditional sentence with two present simple verbs. One is always in the if clause, and the other one is in the main clause. The structure to build a zero conditional sentence is if plus present simple plus present simple. This conditional is used when the result is always going to happen. For example, if water reaches 100 degrees, it always boils. This is a fact. This is in general. This is not a particular situation. And we can say that the result of the if clause is always the main clause. Let's see another example. If water reaches 100 degrees, it boils. This is always true and it's never different. And another with a particular situation is, if I eat peanuts, I am sick. This one only applies for me. Maybe for another person, but not for everyone. But this is always true for me. Now, we have three more examples. If you touch a fire, you get burned. The if clause would be if you touch, and the main clause, you get burned. Now, this next one is snakes bite if they are scared. Bite if is the if clause and are scared the main clause. Another one will be if babies are hungry, they cry. If babies are hungry, if clause, they cry, the main clause. As we can see, the result of the if clause is always the main clause. Now, we will be seeing the first conditional. The first conditional has the present simple after if, then the future simple in the other clause. So the structure will be if plus present simple, then will plus infinitive. It's used to talk about things which might happen in the future. Of course, we can't know what will happen in the future, but this describes possible things which could easily become true. Now we have some examples. If it rains, I won't go to the park. We can see that it can rain. Rain is something that is very plausible to happen, but we are not sure that it will rain. But if it does, we will not be going to the park. Then we have another example. If I study today, I'll go to the party tomorrow. Now we will be comparing the first and the zero conditional. The first conditional describes a particular situation, whereas the zero conditional describes what happens in general. For example, in the zero conditional, if you sit in the sun, you get burned. We are talking about every time a person sits in the sun, the burning is a natural consequence of the sitting. But in the first conditional, if you sit in the sun, you'll get burned. We're talking about what will happen today. Another day might be different. So, this will be it for today. Thank you for watching another video. We appreciate your views and your reviews.